In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up full strict SSL with Cloudflare and Nginx. This process can significantly enhance the security of your website by encrypting the data transmitted between your web server and the browser. So, let's dive in and go through the steps together. First, let's head over to the Cloudflare website. Cloudflare is a fantastic tool for managing your site's DNS and providing additional security features. You'll want to start at the main page, which can be easily found by searching for Cloudflare on your favorite search engine. Once you're on the Cloudflare homepage, the next step is logging into your Cloudflare account. Simply click on the Login button. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one by following the prompts to sign up. Logging in is essential because it gives you access to your dashboard, where you'll manage your domain settings. Now that you're logged in, go to the Cloudflare account home, which is your central hub for all things Cloudflare. Here, you'll see a list of domains associated with your account. Take a moment to look through and get familiar with the layout if you haven't already. Next, it's time to select the domain for which you'd like to configure the SSL settings. Click on the domain name to access its detailed settings page. This step is crucial, as you want to ensure the correct domain is chosen to avoid any unwanted changes to other domains you may manage. Now navigate to the SSL TLS section. This section of the dashboard is dedicated to SSL settings, providing you with options to secure your domain. It's a straightforward process from here, but pay attention to ensure every step is correctly followed. The last part of the setup involves choosing the full strict option. The full strict Nginx setting ensures a high level of security by requiring that your origin server presents a trusted certificate. This prevents any unauthorized connections from accessing your server, which is crucial for maintaining the integrity and confidentiality of the data shared on your site. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up full strict SSL with Cloudflare and Nginx. This method helps protect your website from numerous potential threats and ensures that user data remains private and secure. If you encounter any issues or need more detailed help, I recommend checking out Cloudflare's support resources for further assistance. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope you found this guide helpful and feel more confident in managing your website's security. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful tech tips and tutorials. Have a great day!